morning. This is Sombuna Piri, lecturer in mathematics, Nilamani Mahavidayalaya, BALASORE, welcoming you all YouTube live class from Fakir Mohan Higher Secondary School, organized by School and Mass Education Odisha. We have already started inverse trigonometry function. Our trigonometry is all even function. Trigonometry, sine of minus x, cos of minus x, tan of minus x, cot of minus x, sec of minus x, cosec of minus x. These things already we know. A, S, T, C. Here it is theta, here it is minus theta. Now sine of minus x, A, S, T, C. In the fourth quadrant, our cos and sec are positive. This is positive, this is positive, all others are negative. Sine of minus x minus sin x, cos of minus x is equal to cos x, tan of minus x minus tan x, cot of minus x minus cot x, sec of minus x plus sec x, cosec of minus x minus cosec x. This is the theory, it is from trigonometry. Now our inverse trigonometry function, sine inverse minus x, tan inverse minus x, cosec inverse minus x. This is your minus sine inverse x. This is your minus tan inverse x. This is your minus cosec inverse x. Already we have proved it yesterday. This second half is your cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x, sec inverse minus x, pi minus sec inverse x, also cot inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. These are two theories already we know. How can we find the principal solution to the given question of inverse trigonometry? Inverse trigonometry, inverse, there is the principal solution that say find the principal solution of tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 of principal solution 1. Already we know tan inverse 1 means kahar value 1 asibo. But we know tan of remain minus 92 plus 90 open interval, sine of open interval minus 92 plus 90. Cos or closed interval 0 to pi and so on. Now tan inverse 1 or जेकोनोसी angle आसुना कहीं angle भी तमरो this is y should lie between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 because tan or principal domain angle का होची minus 90 to plus 90 or it is invertible. जेहेतु आमर पाठटा इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्री फंक्शन सो रेस्ट्रिक्टेड डोमेन भितर रहिबो आमर आंसर का रेस्ट्रिक्टेड डोमेन भितर रहिबो एक्सटेंडेड डोमेन भितर रहिबो नाही डमी डोमेन भितर रहिबो नाही तापरे क्लोज्ड इंटरवल हे परिबो नाही काइना 10 90 10 minus 90 सेमाने जो डिफाइंड हे पारंती नाही बिकॉज़ sin by cos सेमाने cos 0 हे गले इन्फिनिटी But my question is tan inverse 1 equal to y. This implies tan y is equal to y. This implies tan y, tan pi by 4. So your y is equal to pi by 4, which lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So this is your principal solution is pi by 4. Now cross inverse minus 1 by 2, find its principal solution. This is your tan inverse 1 is equal to y. By using theory, tan y is equal to 1, tan y, 1 is tan pi by 4. So y is your pi by 4, which satisfies the given domain. Now, instead of tan 1 is pi by 4, what is this? What is your cos inverse? Cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Cos inverse minus 1 by 2. What is its principal solution? Since it is your cos, your angle should lie between 0 to pi. Its principal domain is this. Cos domain eta. तेणु करिकी angle का 0 to pi भितर रहिबा दरकार. This is your y. This implies minus 1 by 2 is equal to cos y using the definition of inverse. Now this implies minus cos y is equal to half. But from the theory of trigonometry, cos 180 minus y is equal to minus cos y. This is the theory already we know. Since cos of minus cos y is equal to cos of pi minus y. Therefore, this is cos pi minus y is equal to what is the value of half. Cos is half at 60 degree. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 45 is 1 by 2 and 60 is 1 by 2. From the trigonometric table, we concluded cos pi minus y is equal to cos, this is your 60 degree, pi by 3. Pi is 180 by 3 is 60 degree. Now, this implies your pi minus y is equal to pi by 3. We cannot cancel by taking inverse on both sides, we can say, or comparing, we can say. ଆମେ ଏକୁ କାଟି ପାରିବା ନାହିଁ, ସେମିତି କଟିବାର କୌଣସି ନିୟମ ନାହିଁ. cos x କଟିଯିବ, କେବଳ cos to cos କଟିବ ନାହିଁ. That is not the theory of trigonometry. Now this implies your y is pi minus pi by 3. This is your 2 pi by 3. Now this is the principal solution because 2 pi by 3 belongs to 0 to pi. Your angle is 0 to pi. Cos inverse minus 1 by 2 say is y. Minus 1 by 2 is cos y. This is minus, so minus taking from that side. Minus cos y is equal to half. Your minus cos y is cos pi minus y is equal to cos pi by 3. Your pi minus y is pi by 3. From this we concluded y is 2 pi by 3. This is your answer. Now we are considering what is the principal solution to sin inverse minus half. If it is instead of cos, if it is minus sin inverse minus half, what is its principal solution? Your question number 3, sin inverse minus 1 by 2. We know for sine your principal domain is minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. It is your closed interval due to sine 90 is 0 and sine 90 is 1 and sine minus 90 is minus 1. Since sine 90 is 1 को हमें फाइनाइट डेफिनाइट कहि परिबा जो वैल्यूटी फाइनाइट एज वेल एज डेफिनाइट हबो जहा को हमें नंबर लाइन ऊपर फिक्स करके देखै परिबा दैट इज क्लोज्ड इंटरवल दिस इज से इक्वल टू y हमें कोनोसी एंगल यार गिवन डोमेन टू प्रिंसिपल डोमेन टू अधिका बा कम नहीं परिबा नहीं we have to choose the domain from this only. Therefore, from using the theory of inverse trigonometry, this is minus 1 by 2 sin y. एटा हला कहीं ना sin inverse का सेपरेट को पड़ेगा ए माइनस का सेपरेट को डाले minus sin y is equal to half sin of 0 is 0 30 degrees half from the table of trigonometry sin of 12 half sin 30 degrees half. Therefore this minus is sin minus y is minus sin y. हमारा चारि जन फंक्शन और फंक्शन sin then cosec then tan then cot. Sin minus y is minus sin y. But cos minus y is equal to pi minus cos y. So this is nothing but your sin 30 degree pi by what? Pi by 6 30 degree. This implies हमें sin काटिबा नहीं केवल फंक्शन को फंक्शन करते नहीं जब तक एंगल अच्छी कंपेयर करी हबो on comparing these two we have minus y is equal to pi by 6 और हमको दरकार y is equal to minus pi by 6 एटा कहाँ भीतर रहउची एटा minus pi by 2 रू plus pi by 2 भीतर रहउची. It is satisfying the principal domain of sine. So this is the result. Hence we can conclude and we can find the value of other trigonometry values. हमें गोटिया trigonometry inverse रू out trigonometry inverse रू किमिति जिबा. How can we convert from one inverse trigonometry to another trigonometry? tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse कहते हैं. Conversion of tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse कहते हैं. Question tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse कहते हैं. वर्तमान पाई हमने राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल रो तीनटा साइड जानिजे P, B and H trigonometry रे sin is P by H, cos is P by H and tan is tan theta is your P by B. This is your right angle triangle. This is your X. This is your X. This is X. This is 1. Tan inverse x is equal to y. Tan by equal to theta. Now tan theta is x by 1. This is your P by B. We know tan theta is P by B. Therefore, if tan inverse x is theta, then tan theta is what? X. X और तले कौन अच्छी? प्रत्येक नंबर और डिनोमिनेटर का 1. Therefore, your tan theta is x by 1. Now, your P is x and base is 1. Using Pythagoras theorem, automatically this is your 1 plus x square root over. My question is, convert tan inverse x to sin inverse केते आमे जानिचु एकटा ट्रायंगल रे tan जतले p by h sin जतले p na p by b sin जतले p by h this is your x by root over of 1 plus x square ସେଇଟା को cos inverse को जब चाहिए tan inverse x एटाला p by b now my required is p by h this is my conclusion now cos inverse sin inverse करायला cos inverse b by h what is b eta more by p eta more by b this is using Pythagoras theorem h now cos inverse b by h 1 by root over of 1 plus x square. Automatically we can get orders. Say sec inverse. Sec inverse is just opposite of cos. That is your h by pb. Sec is h by b 1 plus x square. Cosec is nothing but cosec inverse. Sin ulta it was this by this. P by h it is h by p. H by p that is 1 plus x square by x and cot inverse is 1 by x. Using Pythagoras theorem we can convert from one trigonometric inverse trigonometry to another trigonometric function only constructing the right angle triangle. It is very easy. How can we convert cosec inverse x is equal to tan inverse kete? Cosec inverse x equal to tan inverse kete? Convert cosec inverse x is equal to tan inverse kete? From our right angle triangle cosec inverse x is equal to sec theta. That is cosec theta x by 1 using your Pythagoras theorem. Your cosec theta is x. This is your hypotenuse. This is your 1. Since this is your p, this is your h, using Pythagoras theorem, b is x square minus 1. Cosec inverse x is theta. So cosec theta is x by 1. Now using Pythagoras theorem, your b is h square minus p square root over, that is x square minus 1 square root over. My tan inverse is, what is that? p by b 1 by root over of 1 minus, root over of x square minus 1. This is cosec inverse, cos inverse, con by con, this by this. Cos is b by h, that is root over of x square minus 1 by x. Con दिया जाइथिला, एटी दिया जाइथिला cosec inverse x. Cosec inverse x देला माने cosec रे के था h by p था. यार h लगे x, p लगे 1. Pythagoras theorem कौन बोलची? तमर h square minus p square root over is equal to b. Your tan कहाँ पूर्ण करे? p by b. Your cos b by h. Your cot inverse is your h by b by p. Cot inverse b by p. B is your x square minus 1 by 1 what inverse? Your sec inverse. Sec inverse x is your h by b. That is x by root over of x square minus 1. Then your sine inverse. Sine inverse is p by h 1 by x. This way we can convert one trigonometrical ratio to another inverse trigonometrical ratio. It is very easy if we are constructing a right angle triangle and Pythagoras relation bahar koruchundi. Whenever relation is found out, then we can easily substitute करके बाहर कर परिबा sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, sec inverse and cosec inverse. Now हमें जी problem परिबा theory outer theory टा करते सारे what is theory? Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y from some problem formally sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse x 1 minus y square y 1 minus x square. If it is minus, then it is minus. And this total value should lie between this total x root over of 1 minus y square y into 1 minus x square. It should lie between this and this. Solving this, we are getting the domain. Sin raw maximum value 1, minimum value minus 1. Sin inverse by sin range thela, sin has its range from minus 1 to plus 1. Anybody ki sin inverse of a range t minus 1 by minus 1 to plus 1. Solving this, we are getting the domain for inverse function. A domain would go by only to satisfy its maximum and minimum value. Now we can prove x is equal to sin theta. This x maximum is 1, minimum value is 1. Sin A, y is say sin B. From this we have A is sin inverse x and B is sin inverse y. Your left hand side sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, that is A plus B. Your right hand side is sin inverse. Your x is sin A root over of 1 minus sin square b. This is your sin b root over of 1 minus sin square a. From your trigonometry formula we have sin inverse. Ekala sin a. What is this? 1 minus sin square b is cos square b. Draw root over cos b. This is cos b sin a cos b. This is your cos A sin B. Equal the formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is sin A plus B. Sin inverse sin A plus B, which is equal to only A plus B. Therefore, your sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is sin inverse x into 1 minus y square plus y into 1 minus x square root over. To satisfy this, to solve minus 1 by root 2 is less than equal to x and y less than equal to 1 by root 2. Say जो domain both the side की मानुथुवा दरकार domain is the input elements which is accepted by both the sides of the equation. Then we are moving to second theory, sin inverse x plus or minus sin inverse y is your sin inverse x into root over 1 minus y square plus pi into 1 minus x square. एठी जेतले प्लस एठी जेतले प्लस एठी जेतले माइनस एठी जेतले माइनस. Second theory is cos inverse x plus or minus cos inverse y. Cos minus sin जेतेबेले cos रे प्लस चिन्ह थाए हमर थिबो cos then minus sin. This is your cos inverse. Cos x is cos A, y is cos B. I have taken your x is cos A and y is cos B. Cos inverse x plus minus cos inverse y is cos inverse x into y. This is minus then plus 1 minus x square 1 minus y square. This is the theory of cos inverse x plus minus cos inverse y. Plus tile minus tile plus. Bottom proof re let put x is equal to cos A, y is equal to cos B, A equal to cos inverse x, B equal to cos inverse y. Your left hand side, this is A, this is B, A plus minus B. If it is plus, then we will have plus. If it is minus, then we will have minus. This is your left hand side. Now, right hand side. On right hand side, cos inverse. What is this? X, y minus plus 1 minus x square, 1 minus y square. That is equal to cos inverse cos A cos B, cos A cos B, starting with minus and plus 1 minus cos square A into 1 minus cos square B. This is your cos inverse cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Here also the same thing above. Domain D एमती दबा यार maximum value 1 minimum value -1 आसीबो से जो domain लेखा रही अछि हम solving this equation with -1 to +1. This is nothing but your cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos A cos B. Cos A plus tile minus ase minus tile plus ase. Therefore cos inverse cos, this is your A plus minus B, this is your A plus minus B. This is your left hand side A plus or minus B. This is your right hand side A plus or minus B. This is cos inverse x is A plus or minus cos inverse y. This is A plus or minus B. Cos inverse cos A cos B minus plus sin A sin B. This is the proof. Now we have to prove the 10 formula. This is the inverse function of sin, then cos, then we are moving towards 10. Now we have to prove the formula for 3 tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Here, since the denominator is 1 minus xy, एमती आमे वैल्यू पुट करबा तळडा केबल 0 होबो नाही. tan takes every value and it ranges from minus infinity to plus infinity. x or y refer to minus infinity to plus infinity, but not equal to x into y equal to 1. That is, x into y can never equal to 1. Your x, y both are real numbers and x, y can never equal to 1. This is the domain. Domain हमें एमनिटी सेट करिबा जेमिति कि ता नेचुरल डोमेन को से हरान करिबो नाही एवं रेस्ट्रिक्टेड डोमेन रो माने होची रिपीट होबो नाही बारंबार गोटे वैल्यू आसीबो नाही टू मेक इट 1 1 एंड 2 हमें जेहेतु इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्री फंक्शन पढुचे सेटा 1 1 और 2 को बेसी मानथुबा दरकार इट शुड ओबे द रेस्ट्रिक्शन ऑफ 1 1 and 2. Now, how can we prove if this is minus? At the sign of minus number, this will be plus. Proof. Let x is equal to 10a and y is equal to 10b. Your a is 10 inverse x and b is equal to 10 inverse y. Your left hand side 10 inverse x plus or minus 10 inverse y is a plus or minus b. This is your left hand side. What is your right hand side? That is 10 inverse x is 10a and 10b by 1 minus plus 10a into 10b. This is 10 inverse formula 10a plus 10b 1 minus 10a 10b divided 10a plus 10b divided by 1 minus 10a into 10b. This is your 10a plus or minus b. This is 10 inverse 10 1 answer is a plus or minus b. This left hand side is your a plus minus b. Right hand side is a plus minus b. So this is the theory. Now, if we know 10a plus b plus c formula is there, 10a plus b plus c is 10a plus b plus c minus 10a plus b plus c is 10a plus 10b plus 10c minus 10a into 10b into 10c divided by 1 minus 10a 10b minus 10b 10c minus 10a 10c. What can we do? The formula for 10 inverse x plus 10 inverse y plus 10 inverse z. हमरो जहाँ भी डोमेन करिबा डोमेन का तले 0 होबो नाही स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ नेगेटिव होबो नाही एडी जो फंक्शन अछि सेटा नेगेटिव न होतबे we should take it care जेमिति कि डोमेन टा को से डिफाइन करिबो नाही 10 inverse x plus 10 inverse y plus 10 inverse z is equal to 10 inverse x plus y plus z minus x into y into z divided by 1 minus this is say xy plus yz plus zx. Since I have taken common 10 inverse x plus 10 inverse y plus 10 inverse z is equal to 10 inverse x plus y plus z minus x into y into z divided by 1 minus xy plus yz plus zx. एई डोमेन टा एमिति होबा दरकार जेमिति कि यार प्रोडक्ट टा एक्जेक्टली 1 होबो नाही अदर देन 1 कारण समथिंग लाइक 0 रो माने किछि नाही बा इनफिनिटी. Therefore, how can we prove this? We know from trigonometry formula 10a plus b plus c formula exists. Suppose your x is 10a, x टा को 10a लियो, y टा को 10b लियो, और z टा को 10c लियो. Take it as like this. A is tan inverse x, b is tan inverse y, c is tan inverse z. Your left hand side becomes a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Now your right hand side tan inverse x is tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a into tan b into tan c. Tan a, tan b, tan c divided by 1 minus your tan a, tan b, tan a, tan b plus tan b, tan c plus tan a, tan c. This is tan inverse. The total formula is tan a plus b plus c. This done, we got a plus b plus c has the formula. My question is, if we are proceeding towards use of this theory or use of this formula, now tan inverse minus 1. What will be the value of tan inverse minus 1? Using this same theory, at tan inverse minus 1, tan has domain x belongs to interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. हमें ताको tan ର value ଏଠି ବି negative, हमें କୋଉ value କୁ ଏଠି ନବା, we can input that value ଯାହାକୁ ସେ ନେଉଥିବ, से accept କରୁଥିବ, जोटा accept होउथिबो by the function सेटा को हमें इनपुट करबा। tan ର acceptance हला minus pi by 2 पुनरु plus pi by 2 एटी नुए एटा को से दबा नहीं, एटा नेले y. This implies tan y equal to minus 1. This implies minus tan y is equal to 1. tan केतबेले 1 हुए, tan minus tan y is tan minus 1. This is your tan pi by 4. हमें tan को tan काटिबा नहीं, बारंबार अनेक बही एक्सप्लेन हेची तमरा जेपर्यंत टोटल दी पर जाको समान नहीं, tan y नहीं, हमें काटि परिबा नहीं. We can compare minus y is निजे pi by 4 किंतु इट दरकार y value minus pi by 4. This is the theory. Tan inverse minus 1 is equal to y, but tan y is minus 1, this minus tan y. एटी जब हमें लिखि दबा tan y is equal to minus 1 is equal to tan. This is the pi by 4, this is the pi by 4, this is the pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 आंसर ता ठीक होबो नहीं, कारण 3 pi by 4 is not coming in between minus pi by 2 रो plus pi by 2. जेहेतु ता डोमेन को से मानू नहीं, सेटा को हमें एक्सेप्ट करि परिबा नहीं जोटा का डोमेन रे नहीं. Now convert a question to its simplest form. Sometimes it is coming, it is there in class 12. Class 12 रे पढ़े परीक्षा रे पढ़े हमें जानी जे तीनटा आइडेंटिटी हमर भारी फार्मूला रे यूज हुए. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta जहाँ 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta सेया. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin square जहाँ 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cos square theta सेया. sin square theta minus 1 आउ cos square theta minus 1 प्रथमटा tan square theta द्वितीयटा cos square theta. एई तीनटा हला हमर मेन आइडेंटिटी इन ट्रिगोनोमेट्री. सेठी x ର वैल्यू कौनसी आवश्यकता पड़े नहीं. फॉर ऑल x sin square theta plus cos square theta जेहेतु 1 सेठी theta रो वैल्यू गुटे पर्टिकुलर किछि नाही it is satisfied for all values of theta जोटा all values of theta satisfy करे ताहाकु आमे आइडेंटिटी बोली कहू it is your identity ताहार वैल्यू सेटा ऑलरेडी मानी नैछि it has no particular solution now our simplest form convert to simplest form convert to simplest form होची y is equal to tan inverse x by say a square minus x square एटा पूर्व जदि एटा दिबो y is equal to tan inverse x by 1 minus x square हमर जो 1 minus sin square theta is say this is I this is double I we know from our popular identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 therefore we can substitute 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta substitution is taken suitably जोटा it is suit हबो जोटा it is set हबो what it is needed here सेटे को हमें substitute करिवा substitute कला बले कौन से hard and fast rule नहीं ताको जे suit हो को ताको हमें यूज करिवा सब बेले पई हमें suitable लिखवा put x is equal to sin theta theta is equal to sin inverse x y is equal to tan inverse sin theta by 1 minus sin square theta. This is tan inverse sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta, that is our tan theta, tan inverse tan theta, answer is your theta, theta is equal to sin inverse x. My question is y is equal to tan inverse x by 1 minus x square root over mu eta kind substitute करली substitution is that which is suit here जो वेलटा को सूट करिवो से वेलटा को substitution करिया पे बाध्य जहा कि it will helpful to my solution this is your sin theta this is after solution becoming cos theta sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Tan inverse tan theta is theta. Then you are inverse of each other. Therefore tan inverse na korti nahi seta. Jone jonakar inverse hai gole f into f inverse is I identity. This is I theta that is theta. But according to my substitution, it is theta not theta. I have inverted theta. After my job is over, I have to resubstitute the value of theta. Now theta is your sin inverse x. Say ekta question na you move idili kon suitable substitution. Eti jodi move saman question re etu khali sin theta put karibi kono se formula me manibo nahi since there are three identities eti 1 minus sin square theta asi paribo nahi मोदी x को खाली sin थीटा पुट करे मते सेही जिंसटा को सब्स्टिट्यूट करिया को पड़िबो जो वेलटा इट सूट हबो पुट x is equal to a sin theta this implies your sin theta is x by a instead of that sin theta I have taken here a sin theta and a square minus a square sin square theta I can take as common that to square root of c. Our suitable substitution is this. Therefore, my question is what x by s square minus s square root over. According to the suitable substitution, x is put to be a sin theta. Therefore, theta is x by a. Hence, theta is sin inverse x by a. but simply we have to convert it to simplest form. Y is equal to tan inverse x का कहते हैं a sin theta by your a square minus a square sin square theta. Your tan inverse a sin theta. Your denominator is a square taken common 1 minus sin square is cos square. A square cos square root over a cos theta. Your a cancels tan inverse tan theta. This is your tan inverse tan theta. That is your only theta. But what is your theta? Theta is sin inverse x by a. Your y is tan inverse x by root over a square minus s square. What is its simplest form? After substitution, हमें theta पहुँचते. But theta is here inverted guest. से नीचे host मुहे हमारा क्वेश्चन में theta रे आंसर आसे परिबो नहीं. हमें theta को पुनी resubstitution करिबा. Theta is sin inverse x by a. Again, we have to solve another question. Convert to simplest form. Means another question, say question number 3. Y is tan inverse 3a square x. 3a square x minus x cube 1 minus 3a x square. 3a x square. 3a x square. We know tan 3a is 3 tan a minus tan qa by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Already we know this. We know. आमको जो फॉर्मूला ऑलरेडी ट्रिगोनोमेट्री अच्छी ताकू मने रखिबाकू पड़िबो tan 3a 3 tan a minus tan 2a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. कांस्टेंट बहुत बड़ प्रॉब्लम नुहे. कांस्टेंट जदि कॉमन जाई पारुथबो कॉमन जाई कटि जिवो. एडी हमकु दरकार 3 tan a ताले x जगह रे मु कोन सब्स्टिट्यूट करले एडी 1 आसीबो. एडी a q अछि एडी a q आसीबो a q आसीबो a q आसीबो. My suitable substitution should make each term as a q. सब जगह रे a q रहि गले मो पय सुविधा हो काटिबा पय. To do that I have to take put x is equal to a tan theta. Tan theta is x by a. Theta is tan inverse x by a. This implies y is equal to tan inverse 3a square into a tan theta. X का को a tan theta नहीं. More उद्देश्य I have to use this formula. सही formula या पाई x a tan theta minus a tan theta q divided by a q minus 3a tan theta square. A tan theta square. Here is a q. Here is a q also a q. Tan inverse a q वाला common 3 tan theta minus tan q theta. 3 tan theta minus tan q theta. A q वाला common 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is your tan inverse a q particular tan 3 theta. Tan inverse tan 3 theta is nothing but your 3 theta. Theta का होची कहते tan inverse x by a. 3 tan inverse x by a. If this is giving in derivative or limit or integration, after it is becoming simplest, we can solve it very easily. Now we have to solve some more problems. If possible, we will solve it tomorrow. Today time is over.